Welcome back to EN64. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to test OPC connection with the PLC simulator. Quite often, when you are on a business trip or at home during the weekend, you have some ideas, but you just don't have the hardware. So, this is where the simulator comes in. With the simulator, you can test your software anywhere, anytime. For Siemens PLC, there are two simulators, S7 Sim and S7 Sim Advanced. To test the OPC connection, we have to use the advanced version. Okay, let's start with software installation. To complete this demo, you need three pieces of software: TIA, S7 Sim Advanced, and Kepware OPC Server or any other similar. Skip this section when you have all the software installed. S7 Sim Advanced installation. Using Google to search for the download link. Type PLC Sim. Click the ISO download link. Mount the ISO file and begin installation. Sometimes, it requires a system restart. However, we can modify the Windows registry to solve this problem. Make sure you are in the correct location. Delete the pending file rename operation key. Restart installation. Click the next button until the end. Alright, simulator installation complete. TIA installation. Using Google and search for TIA. Click the ISO link, wait until the download is complete, mount the image, and begin the installation. Modify the registry again if necessary. Click the next button until the end. Kepware OPC Server installation. Use Google again and search for Kepware OPC Server. Download the demo version from the official site. Double-click to begin installation. Select the TCP/IP driver only, we don't need others. S7 SIM Advanced Configuration. Go to the control panel. Click the Network and Sharing Center. Change adapter settings. Make sure you have this simulator adapter. It is automatically created after the simulator installation. Check the virtual stack. Set the IP address. This IP address is the local computer address. Start the simulator. Switch the online access to TCP/IP. Select Local in the list. Type an instance name and set the IP address of the virtual PLC. Note that this address here is different from the virtual Ethernet card. Open the memory card folder. Start the virtual PLC. Note that the folder has been created for this PLC. You can delete this folder and create a new one anytime. Let's run the ping command and see if the PLC is online. Okay, it is online. Create a TIA demo project. Start TIA portal. Create a new project. Click Add New Device button to add a PLC to the project. Select a device and click the Add button. Change the device's Ethernet address to the simulator's address. Modify the project's configuration to allow simulation. Before we compile the project, note that the main block is not support simulation. Compile the project. Check the main block again. Download the project to the simulator. Make sure you select the virtual Ethernet adapter. Hit the load button. Select Start Module. Now, as you can see, project has been downloaded to the simulator. Let's add a test data block to the project. Disable the optimization in the properties. Save and download the project to the simulator. OPC Server Configuration. Start KEP Server EX configuration. Create a new project. Add a new channel. Select the TCP/IP Ethernet driver. Do select the virtual Ethernet adapter. Add the simulator device. The PLC type is S7-1500. Set the IP address to 200. Click the Next button till the end of the wizard. Add a test tag. Make sure the tag exists in the data block. Type in the address. Start the OPC Quick Client to monitor the value. As you can see here, the value is unknown. We need to change the security settings in the PLC. Make sure to check this to enable put and get communication. Download the project to the PLC. Now switch to the OPC Quick Client. The test tag is accessible now. Close the client and add another test tag. Both tag is accessible. Change the value in the client and PLC will be updated. Alright, that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. See you next time.